If you want to customize and reorder your Photos app in iOS 18 on your iPhone, follow these steps to organize your photos and albums to suit your preferences. This allows for easier access and a more personalized photo library. So let's get started. Solution 1. Rearrange photos in an album. Open the Photos app on your iPhone, scroll down to bottom of the screen, tap Customize and Reorder. Tap and hold the tree line. Drag it to your desired location. You can even uncheck this from here, and it will now show you in the Photos apps on your iPhone. Solution 2. Create a new album. Open the Photos app, scroll down, tap on Albums, tap the Create icon in the top left corner, select New Album, name your album and tap Save. Tap the plus icon, select the photos you want to add to the new album and tap Done. By following these steps, you can customize and reorder your Photos app in your iOS 18 on your iPhone to make it more personalized and organized. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.